How to turn on or turn off text messages vibration on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Sounds and Haptics. After that, go down, then tap on Text Tone. Now in here, we go up to the top and then tap on Haptics. And if you want to turn off vibration, go down and then select None. By selecting None, you are now turning off vibration for any text messages notifications. To turn on vibration for text messages, you can simply select one of the vibration pattern, such as accent, alert, heartbeat, quick, rapid, SOS, and so on. And that's it. So here I will choose the default vibration, and then tap on the back key. You can swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.